Alright guys, we are in math. So I need you to go get your math worksheet, day 8. You can pause the video while you get ready and then unpause the video when you are ready to go. Alright guys, we have two fluencies today. These are number bonds, okay? It doesn't matter if we use the circles or the squares, they're still number bonds. And we know that number bonds are our parts are always beside each other and they fuse together to make the whole. Or like Miss Watkins told you, they're going to the party house. The two parts are going to the party house, right? They're going to the whole. So the two parts are always beside each other and the whole is always by itself. So we have 1 and 2 and we're going to add those. When we know our two parts, we're always going to add to get the whole. So what is 1 plus 2? 1 plus 2 is 3. Very good. Okay. Again, we know our two parts. They're beside each other. They're fusing together to get the whole. So we need to add. We need to get Gus the plus. Okay. What is 3 plus 2? 3, 4, 5. Very good. Still know our two parts. They're still fusing together to make the whole, right? So what is 2 plus 1? 2 plus 1 is 2. Add one more is 3. Very good. Now we have 4 and 1. They're both our parts because we're fusing them together, getting the whole. So 4 plus 1. If you have 4 and you add one more, hold up 4 fingers, put up one more finger. How many do you have now? You have 5. Very good. Okay. You have 3 and 1. You know the two parts, so you're adding. What is 3 plus 1 more? 4. Very good. Now this one, you know the whole number. And you don't know either of your parts, so you can come up with your own parts. So we can make 4 different ways. We can have 4 plus 0. We can have 4 and 0. Sorry guys. They make 4. Or we can do 3 plus 1. It makes 4. Sorry. We can do 4 and 0. We can do 3 and 1. We can do 2 and 2. Those numbers make 4. So if I have 4 and I add 0 more, I still have 4. If I have 3 and I add 1 more, that gives me 4. Or if I have 2 and I add 2 more, that gives me 4. So you can pick whichever one you want. I'm going to pick 2 and 2. 2 plus 2 to make 4. And what does 2 plus 2 make? It makes 4. And this one, it gives you your whole, and you got to come up with the ways, just like we did with 4, to give me 5. So 5, when we're making 5, oh no. Okay, so when we're making 5, we got to come up with the different ways that we can make 5. So, what are our different ways that we can make 5? We can take 5. If we already have 5, how many more do we need to add? 0. Then we go down to the next one. We can take 4 and add what to it? 4 and, if I have 4 and I add, how many more? 1, I can make 5. Or I can go down to 3 and add, how many? 5, 3. How many more do I need to make 5? 2. So you can pick one of those. So 5 makes up, I'm going to just say 4 and 1. Okay? So this side you're going to do by yourself. If the parts are together, you're going to add. If the whole is by itself, you have to come up with the two parts that make this number. Okay? What two parts make these numbers? That's right there. Okay? Come up with another one in size from 4 and 1. Now let's go to our work for today. It says here are 6 books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's how our whole, we know our whole number. Cross out 2. So we're going to cross 2 of them out. If we cross 2 of them out, 2 is going to be one of our parts. That's one of our parts. So we're looking for the other part. So we are going to subtract. We subtract when we know our whole minus part, because we got to find our other part. So 6 minus what? 6 minus 2, because we took 2 away. So we're going to circle how many's left. How many's left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 minus 2 should equal 4. And we're going to check that by putting 6 fingers up. Hold up 6 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold up 6 fingers. Now put 2 of those fingers down. 1, 2. How many fingers do you have left? 4. You have 4 fingers left. So 6 minus 2 equals 4, or 2 plus 4 equals 6. It's the fact family. Alright? I'm going to help you fill in the blanks, and then you're going to do the rest, okay? So this says draw 6 stars. So really what we're going to do is we're just going to make 6 circles. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's my whole number. Cross out 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle what's left. So 6 minus 4. You need to figure out the answer. This one says draw 6 objects. 1, 2. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Draw 6. That is our whole number. That's how many you have all together. Cross out 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Circle what's left. So you had 6. Linus took 5. How many do you have left? I want you to finish that up. All right, guys, have a great day.